Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name. If you live in the USA and drive daily, you know how frustrating and even dangerous a flat tire can be. That's why today we're checking out some of the best portable tire inflators on Amazon. We'll review the Airmoto and carrying case bundle deal, tire inflator portable air compressor with hard case air pump for car tire, and the tire inflator portable air compressor 20,000 mAh 150 psi cordless electric model. I'll break down their features, pros and cons, and even share what real customers are saying, so you can pick the one that fits your lifestyle. Trust me, by the end, you'll know exactly which inflator you should keep in your car. Product 1, Airmoto Plus Carrying Case Bundle. The Airmoto bundle gives you not just the popular Airmoto tire inflator, but also a hard protective case for easy storage and travel. Pros: compact, accurate digital PSI display, auto shutoff, LED emergency light, and durable carrying case. Cons: slightly more expensive than the basic Airmoto. Customer review: one buyer said, "This inflator saved me when my tire lost pressure on the highway at night. The case kept everything organized, and the LED light was a lifesaver." Who should buy it? Perfect for commuters, road trippers, and families who want a reliable inflator that's always ready in the trunk. Product 2, Cordless 20,000 mAh 150 psi tire inflator. This inflator is a powerhouse cordless model with a massive 20,000 mAh battery and pressure up to 150 psi. Pros: cordless convenience, long-lasting battery, dual-use design, digital tire gauge, works for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports balls. Cons: slightly heavier than the Airmoto, takes more trunk space. Customer review: a happy customer shared, "I inflated my SUV tires, my bike, and even my kids' basketball on one charge. It's super convenient. Why buy it?" Great for active families, outdoor adventurers, and anyone who wants a multi-purpose inflator that works beyond just car tires. So there you have it, 3 great Amazon options for portable tire inflators. If you want organized storage and convenience, go with the Airmoto bundle with hard case. If you need power and cordless freedom, the 20,000 mAh 150 psi inflator is the way to go. And if you're on a budget but still want reliability, the standard Airmoto inflator has you covered. Check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Amazon product reviews. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.